In this session, we're going to understand how ticket status behavior works inside Zoho Desk and how to control what happens when a customer replies to a closed ticket. Let's begin with the fundamentals. Whenever a customer submits a support ticket, Zoho Desk assigns a status to track its lifecycle. By default, the system provides four main statuses: open, on hold, escalated, and closed. You can also create custom statuses and map them to these default categories, depending on your business workflow. Now here's the key scenario. Once you resolve a customer issue, you mark the ticket as closed. That means the issue is completed. But if the customer replies to that same ticket, even after it has been closed, Zoho Desk automatically changes the status from closed back to open. For some businesses, this is perfectly acceptable. They prefer continuing the same conversation thread. However, other businesses prefer stricter ticket governance. They want closed tickets to remain permanently closed, replies after a certain time period to create a new ticket, clean SLA tracking, clear separation between resolved and new issues. So how do we achieve this? We use a workflow rule combined with a custom function written in Deluge. Here's the logic we want to implement. When a ticket is closed and the customer replies to that same ticket, even if the ticket is in closed status and the customer replies on the same closed ticket, the system should always split the ticket and create a new ticket from the latest thread. It should not reopen the existing ticket under any condition. Now, instead of writing this entire Deluge script manually, we can use AI assistance. Open Google Gemini and ask Gemini this exact prompt. I'm using Zoho Desk, and I need a Deluge custom function script. Situation: when a ticket is closed and the customer replies to that same ticket. Even if the ticket is in closed status and the customer replies on the same closed ticket, it should always create a new ticket by splitting the latest thread. The existing ticket must remain closed. Do not reopen the original ticket under any condition. Do not use any time-based logic like 48 hours. Please give me the exact Deluge script for this. Requirements: add org ID equals paste org ID here. Use getRelatedRecords or latestThread API to fetch the latest thread. Use ticket.split or appropriateSplit API. Do not include any status update logic. Do not explain anything. Do not change variable names. Only give the final script. Make sure you paste it exactly as it is. Why? Because when you clearly define the scenario, the conditions, and the technical constraints, Gemini will generate the correct Deluge script without modifying the logic or structure. This is how you combine automation inside Zoho Desk with AI-powered scripting assistance, efficiently, accurately, and professionally. In the next step, we'll take that script, paste it inside the Zoho Desk custom function editor, and connect it to a workflow rule to make the automation live. Got an idea for a process, product, or business improvement? Share it with us, and we'll map out the next step workflow for execution. Comment or DM us today. We will provide this in 1 hour.